You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, a name of French origin with a very confusing spelling indeed. So if you want to learn more French pronunciations, stay tuned, I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. The French pronunciation, the way we would say it in France and French-speaking Canada. Ouellette. Ouellette. In English, therefore, it is often pronounced as Ouellette, Ouellette, or Ouellette. Ouellette. How do you pronounce it yourself? Any other ways? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.